In today's Vlogmas video, I'm so excited to share with you what's in this special box that arrived today. Stay tuned for this really exciting celebratory video. Happy Vlogmas! Today's video is a super exciting special video. I have brought my family here, Brian and Gabriel.
Hi, Gabriel.
Yay! They're here to celebrate this.
Yay!
They're here to celebrate this because this channel truly is a family effort, and without Brian's and Gabriel's support and help in terms of allowing me to shoot video at all crazy times of the day and editing and all the other sacrifices that I've made with this channel for all of you, these guys are part of my ability to bring valuable content to you. So without further ado, we are going to unbox this amazing black box. So funny, YouTube sends it in a black box. It's this really sacred event, and I'm so excited that Vlogmas, we can unbox this. So I'm going to open it up. And let's see, I'm not really that good at opening. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here we are. So here we are. And
what's in there, Gabriel?
I've got a nice little wrap. Ooh, there's a note. So it says, you've just done something that very few creators accomplish. You have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. And I'm so excited by this. I could not have achieved this without all of you.
Look at that.
Yay!
Yay,
You see what this is, little man?
Look.
So this is,
You have to put it together?
well, this is presented to Natural Health Resources by Dr. Melissa Gallagher for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's our silver play button. Woo-hoo! Yay!
High
Yay! So in honor of hitting this amazing milestone, we actually hit this back in January. To all of you who are new and who have been with me from the very beginning back in July of 2014, this journey has been amazing. I'm so excited to see what the next year details. And because of this amazing accomplishment, I've put together a little compilation so you can see just the progress this channel has made through the past 4.5 years. So thank you. Wanted to show you a technique today to move the lymphatics. You take a vegetable bristle brush and move it in circular patterns. Hi, I'm Melissa Gallagher with Healthy Being by Melissa, and I'm so excited to share one of my favorite recipes with you today. Self-sabotaging behavior tends to be rooted in fear. Fear of failure, fear of success. Hi, I'm Melissa Gallagher, naturopathic physician and nutritionist, and I hope you've caught this video if you are dealing with any type of lymphedema or swelling, or I'm here to talk to you about something called ear candling. This is an ear candle. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of it, but it's pretty amazing. And essentially, this is the candle. It's hollow. And what we do is we insert it in the ear just like this. And today, I want to talk to you about what are those little dark blood red cherries. And I am excited to be back on YouTube. I took a little hiatus, partially because in my family we became pregnant. Hi, welcome to September and our healthy newsletter. I am so excited to have you join us. We're going to talk about breast health awareness. Happy holidays! It's my 2017 Healthy Holiday Gift Guide. Get right into my Trader Joe's haul and share with you some of the items that we love. what's your favorite thing that we got today at Trader Joe's? You like tofu? You want to tell people what you love at Trader Joe's? What do you love at Trader Joe's? Tofu! Welcome, friends! And it's a happy birthday month. I'm so excited to kick off July 1st with you here. It is officially 40 over the rainbow. Yay! We made it to 100,000 strong. Oh my gosh, we are 200,000 strong. And to help us count down, please share this on your social sites, bring them into the fold here as we celebrate our 250,000 members. It's so crazy to think that we have grown to this point. Oh my gosh, it just happened. Somehow we just surpassed it literally just in that second. So I hope you enjoyed that little video montage. As you can see, things have gotten better. I have better lighting, I have a better camera, and these two have been added. Oh my gosh, he's seriously my worst critic. Are you my worst critic? So anyway, thank you everybody for participating in the growth of this channel. If you love this channel, please give us a thumbs up. It totally helps support the algorithm, and the growth of our channel is so much encouraged by your engagement. So thank you everybody. Lots of kisses. I'm grateful. And I'll see you on tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Thanks everybody. You'll see this in the office really soon.